Welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning. This is first breakfast. This is what I call my first breakfast. What you're going to need is some warm water, not boiling water, just warm enough. You don't want to destroy the honey. Your next ingredient, going to be some honey. Teaspoon or so, it's up to you. Honey is excellent for your immune system, especially when you take it locally. Because your local honey will have been made from bees who harvest the local pollen, which means that if you have seasonal allergies to the local pollen, you will be exposed to that local pollen through the honey in a mild way. It will stimulate your immune system to that pollen, and you will have a natural boost to your immunity because of it. And besides, honey is natural, it's all good, it's the food of the gods. And it is the basis of this delicious mixture. So just mix that in there a little bit. Next, cinnamon to taste. That's up to you and your own tolerance levels. You'll get to know how much you like to take. Cinnamon is good for you. It's a natural spice. It's good for the blood. Next is going to be half a lemon. And finally, some olive oil. Now I keep 2 bottles of olive oil in my kitchen going all the time. One for flavor, this nice, beautiful, light-tasting olive oil. And I built up my olive oil stock over the years by buying it on sale, rotating it through. And whenever there's some nice, light olive oil for sale, I buy it and I refill my bottle. Okay, now we will blend it. And voila! First breakfast. Beautiful immune boosting boost. Boosting boost. And of course, you've got some olive oil in there, so that's some beautiful protein to get your day going. All right. Well, as you can tell, I made this first thing in the morning and I'm a little tired, but this will get my day going. This has been First Breakfast. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.